Hey guys, my name is Barbara, and today I am going to show you how to create a journal page using PowerPoint and Canva. So I have PowerPoint up on my screen, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on white. First thing I'm going to do is go to where it says slides and click on layout and change it to blank. Next, I'm going to change the format of the page so that it's a regular letter size paper. So I'm going to click on File, Page Setup, change the width to 8.5 and change the height to 11. From there, I'm going to click on Insert Table, make the column 1, make it 20 rows. Then I'm going to drag it up a little bit so that's in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and go down here and select this table style because it'll give me the black lines that I need. So before I get rid of the gray, first I'm going to pull it out to the edges so that so it'll take up my whole page. And then from there, I'm going to click over here where it says table options. I'm going to uncheck header row and I'm going to uncheck banded rows. And as you can see, it gives me a perfectly lined page. Let me see. Let's just pull that a little bit. Okay. So I have my perfectly lined page. So now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm going to save as, let's say, journal page 1. And I'm going to save it for format. We're going to use PNG. All right. Now from there, I'm going to go ahead and open up Canva. And on Canva, I'll take you to the beginning of the screen, what it'll look like. When you go ahead and sign on to Canva, it gives you a create design options. You're going to select US letter. Excuse me. All right, from there, we're going to upload our design. So click on upload, upload your own images. And mine's already came up. So, but you want to go back to where you saved your initial image. And Canva's going to upload it for you, and it takes a couple seconds. But once Canva uploads it, it'll always be there for you to use, so you can definitely create more templates. So I'm going to take it and move it over, and there you go. You have your page. So I'm going to stretch it out a bit. And there you go. Now, if you want to get a little funky with it, what you could do is add some designs. So if you go on search, I'm going to just type in flower. And a neat trick you want to do to make sure that you always only get the options that are free. If you click on the down arrow, free only, and that's the only ones that Canva will show you. So you could take the flower and maybe put it up here to add a little bit of color, or we can turn it, add it down at the bottom. That gives you that. Or a neat little trick you can try is you can actually add it to the background of the paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my page and slide it over a bit. I'm going to select the flower, trying to find the flower that I always select, but it's not popping up for me. So we'll do a different one. Let's do this one. So I have my flower. Let me see. I want to see if it'll show the flower that I always love to use. That's not it, but it's close enough, and I like that one better. So we're just going to get rid of this one, and we're going to insert that one. All right, so we have that one. I'm going to stretch it out so that it takes up most of the page. Next, I'm going to click on it and see where it says arrange. I'm going to range it to I'm going to send it to the back. And once I send it to the back, I'm going to drag my page over it so that it's covering it. Oh, it was supposed to cover it, but that's okay. Let's see. So another way that we're going to do it real quick, just so that you get an idea, We're going to click on this and we're going to make it transparent. So the way to make it transparent, you go over here, it says transparency, and let it fade to the back. That's probably an easier way to do it now that I'm thinking about it. And there you go. And then you have that in the back of the page. Let's see, we might want to make it fade a little bit more, depending on how prominent you want it to be on the page. But that's another feature that you can do too. And with this particular flower, you're unable to change the colors, but some of the flowers, it'll let you change the color. So if you wanted to make it, let's say, black or dark gray, so that way when it fades to black, you really can't see the color that it was. You could do that too. But there you have it. Please feel free to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I do another video. I do plan on trying to make one at least once a week, just showing you different tips and tricks that I'm learning along the way as I create printables and different types of journals. Again, my name is Barbara. My store is Inspirationally Designed. My blog is inspirationallydesigned.com. Feel free to click on the links underneath the video to check me out. And if you have any questions, post them below. And if there's any tutorials that you would like for me to create, post that below as well. All right. Thanks, guys.